Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's topic is a cornerstone of data analysis, quantitative data versus qualitative data. Now, if you haven't checked out our previous videos where we thoroughly explored both quantitative and qualitative data, don't worry. We've got you covered with the links in the description below. So let's start with today's topic. Alright, before we jump into the topic, I want you to pause the video and see the given diagram to quickly recall the things which we have learned in previous videos. Now that we have our foundation set, let's delve into the core distinctions between these two types of data. The first notable difference is the inherent nature of the data. Quantitative data is structured, objective, and revolves around numerical values. For instance, if you're conducting a survey to gather ratings of customer satisfaction on a scale of 1 to 10, you're dealing with quantitative data. The data collected here is numerical, allowing for straightforward calculations and comparisons. In contrast, qualitative data is unstructured and subjective. Let's say you're conducting interviews with people about their travel experiences. You might gather stories about unique cultural interactions, unexpected adventures, and personal transformations. These stories are qualitative in nature, providing richer, contextual insights that can't be easily converted into numbers. When it comes to analyzing these data types, we employ different techniques. Quantitative data loves statistical analysis. Let's say you have surveyed data about the average amount of time people spend exercising each week. You can calculate the mean, average, time spent, standard deviation, measure of spread, and even perform correlations to see if exercise time is related to other variables like age or gender. On the flip side, qualitative data requires more interpretive methods. Imagine you're curious about why people enjoy their favorite foods. You ask around, and some say they like spicy flavors, others mention comfort foods, and some talk about trying new dishes. To make sense of this, you put similar answers together, spicy foods in one group, comfort foods in another, and so on. When you look at these groups, you might notice that many folks enjoy comfort foods. This process of grouping similar ideas to find common themes is what we call thematic coding. We will talk in detail about thematic coding in upcoming videos. Collecting these data types calls for distinct methods. Quantitative data is often gathered through structured surveys, experiments, or automated systems that generate numbers. If you're measuring the heights of students in a classroom using a ruler, you're collecting quantitative data. On the other hand, qualitative data is harvested through methods like interviews, focus groups, open-ended surveys, or even ethnographic observation. If you're conducting in-depth interviews with travelers to understand their motivations, you're collecting qualitative data that captures their stories, opinions, and experiences. The next difference is sample sizes. Quantitative analysis often demands larger samples to achieve statistical significance. For example, if you're studying the effects of a new drug on blood pressure, you'll need a substantial number of participants to confidently draw conclusions. In contrast, qualitative analysis can draw valuable insights from smaller, more targeted samples. If you're conducting interviews with experts in a specific field to understand their perspectives, a smaller number of in-depth conversations can yield valuable qualitative insights. So, in a nutshell, the differences between quantitative and qualitative data are crucial to grasp. Remember, these data types aren't opponents, they're complementary tools that provide a holistic view of complex phenomena. Before we say goodbye, if you're looking for a comprehensive understanding of quantitative and qualitative data, make sure to check out our previous videos. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it valuable, and don't forget to share it with fellow data enthusiasts.